All right, guys, I got to get started early today. I really did not see many trades here today. It was easy to identify that the bias was down. And this channel, this large channel, it was pretty easy to find off these highs, and then it matched with these lows. We had an overshoot here. It did not, or it has not yet led to a break. So maybe this channel can be drawn differently. But yeah, regardless, I don't see much to trade here. Not a lot of good opportunities, which is good. That's good practice for us. For after the past week or so, trading's been pretty easy. Here, not so much. But I will say, if you stuck with the bias today, you should be good. I went long on the simulator a couple times, and it didn't work out well because clearly the bias is down. So, yeah, it looks like it might be. Maybe we had like one leg down, two legs down, one leg of correction, two legs of correction. So maybe these two legs of correction have to do with this overshoot down here. It looks like we had this overnight range, and we did hit that measured move down right here and bounced. But yeah, I don't think this is going to take more than 5 minutes. So let's take a look. We had that overnight stuff, the range, and then we had this move down. Nothing to enter on there, unfortunately. And then prices were just ranging. You might go short in some of this. Mack was saying in the mid-morning chart not to go short until, I forget what he said, but he said not to go short here. So I'll have to reread what he said. But yeah, the EMA looks like it's pointing down here, so I wouldn't be opposed to it, but I'll have to hear what he says. But anyway, we get this break. It is a with trend break, so we get a pullback, and if we get a first entry, second entry short, here's the thing. If you had this channel drawn, which you could have had at this time, this comes to the midline, and it already looks like prices are responding to the midline a little bit. So I like this trade, second entry short. It's like a 4-tick bar. Yeah, so I wasn't watching it in real time, unfortunately, but I think that's okay to take. We come back to the top of the range, and then we shoot down, and you get another first entry, second entry short. It's like a breakout pullback. So I do like that. It's a little aggressive because we have this congestion here, but we're making lower lows and lower highs. That's what I like about this. So yeah, we get this leg down. You can't enter in any of this. By the way, this is near the EMA. Signal bar is pretty good. I would have liked, obviously, for it to have closed lower, but and here we get this correction. We got an overshoot, so we're kind of thinking there's a break coming, and you get a first entry failed, second entry short, but it is a little far from the EMA. But at that point, it looks like people are probably getting trapped going short. But anyway, you do get a filled, or you get your target reached. And here, this is aggressive, but we get some congestion. You got a first entry, failed second entry long. I don't know. Watching this live, it looked like a failed second entry long, and it worked that way too. You can see all these people got trapped, and those are the only trades I saw today. Really tough day to you just got to sit and watch. This kind of looks like a second entry short, first entry, second entry, but look how congested that is, and it looks like that might be an important low, so I didn't like that. But anyway, that's what I saw for today. I hope you had a good day, and I'll be back tomorrow.